How to use biometric login on Unocoin mobile application. Are you guys facing issues to use biometric login on Unocoin? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To enable biometric login on Unocoin, open the app and log in into your account with your registered email and password. Then, tap More at the bottom, go to Settings or Security, and look for Biometric Logins option. This may show as fingerprint or face login depending on your device. Tap the toggle to enable it. The app will prompt you to authenticate using your device fingerprint sensor or face ID. Complete the scan and once confirmed, biometric login will be activated. From now on, whenever you open Unocoin application, you will be able to log in quickly and securely using fingerprint or face ID. No need to enter your PIN or password every time. That's it guys. That's how you're going to use biometric login on Unocoin application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Bye bye.